say me sorry for you, no man. Me say me sorry for blood clot, you know. Me not have no parents. Me not have nobody. And God have protected me to come this fucking far. And God is not going to let me off here. Me suffer with depression. And me keep me depression to myself. Me no come online and me no pressure you. Me no make you see me tears. Enough time me there. Me lock up in the house. Me there. At the end of the day, me plan to kill myself. And I call in, me call. I call in, tell me say, Kyhighlah, don't do that. Enough thing me go try, me don't tell you no. Me don't come on the internet and tell you no at all. Me hold it in. I pray. I'm try to be positive about my situation. I try. Me call in. I'm say to call in. Me don't know if me can manage no more. Me tired of life. And she talk to me. And she cry. And she talk to me and she said she love me. I don't tell you guys these things. I don't come online and ask you for nothing at all. I just promote my business and I just tell you to buy my stuff them. That is it. I'm not even asking nobody for no sympathy. But just take this as a lesson and learn from this situation not to ever let in people because people are very wicked. You see how this woman put on me name on her hand and tattoo up and come and I tell people me have HIV. We have to take from these situations and look on how evil people can be and lie people can be. People are not nice. People are sick.